In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. Then tap on device name and type in wherever you want to. When you finished, hit OK. And confirm your choice by choosing OK in the second pop-up, this time about name visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!